Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you guys how to do offset paths on letters. So now let's start. So first of all, let's take this font all round Gothic 4 and increase the rapidity. Create outline and now ungroup it. Now align your letters uh, so that you won't be able to confuse and maintain your uh, alignment and go to path, offset path, and 5 pp is enough. Simply select with mouse and shift. Go to pathfinder and minus front. Okay. Now path, offset path. So now this is our offset path logos, and you can take as much as you want. You can increase up to 10 pt, 5 pt for more better results. If you guys like my video, then do subscribe and share, and also follow me on behalf. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive important videos, important updates to you, and share this video if you're with your friends. Thanks for watching.